So today I'm going to talk about our new R-32 all-match indoor units. And if you haven't heard me talk about all-match before, the all-match units refer to the indoor units that can be used in both the multi-zone or one-to-one application. But today I'm just going to mostly focus on the one-to-one applications because that's where most of the changes have occurred with the new R-32 units. So with the old R-410A all-match units, in addition to the multi-zone applications, we could also take these units and pair them with a Vireo outdoor unit in a one-to-one application. And the units we had for that were the high wall, the floor ceiling, the cassette, and the slim duct. Now with the R-32 units, we have quite more indoor unit options to choose from. And instead of just being matched with the Vireo, we're going to have a much more wide array of options here. So in sizes 9K through 24K, we can have one-to-one matchups with the Vireo, our new Invo, and the Sapphire with high walls, slim ducts, cassettes, the floor ceiling console, and our new one-way cassette. And then in the 30 and 36K models, we can do a one-to-one with our Levo outdoor units. The reason for that obviously is the Levo line is the only one that goes up to a 30 and 36K. The other lines stop at 24. So now I'll talk about the new styles of units that we're going to introduce. So here's kind of the whole lineup here. We've got the outdoor units, Sapphire, Invo, and Vireo, and 9, 12, 18, and 24 for the all match. And then for the 30 and 36K, obviously, we've got the Levo. Then for the indoor units, we have the new one-way cassette, which is available in 9, 12, 18, and a 20K model. Not quite a 24, but we have the 20K. Our new 8-way compact cassettes in 9K all the way up through 3 tons. The high static pressure slim duct from 9K to 36K. The floor ceiling console, 9 through 36. And the new floor standing model, that's going to be available in 3 tons only. So here's the new R-32 8-way cassettes, and there's going to be 3 chassis sizes on these. So for the smaller chassis size, we're going to have 9, 12, and 18. The 24K will be a standalone chassis, and then we'll have the 30 and 36K in the larger chassis. Dimensions here in millimeters. Information's fresh. Bringing it to you as soon as we can. Haven't had a chance to convert everything over, but we'll get all the sales brochure stuff updated and out to you as soon as we can. But it's important to note, one thing we did with these new cassettes is we've changed the size so that they can fit in between the wood beams here. Generally the standard distance, you have 22 on-inch center beams. So we wanted to make sure that those units could fit. This is the new one-way cassette. There's only one footprint for these, all 4 sizes. So I know these can be great applications if you're putting units out more towards walls, don't have a lot of ceiling space, things like that. Put these in, and maybe you just want to direct air in one direction instead of having going 360 or 2-way. So we're introducing these in the new all match. Here's the high static pressure series, pretty much the same series we've used in the past, except now we have that 30 and 36K models available. And of course, these go up to 200 pascals or 0.8 inches of water gauge. So plenty of static pressure, provided you're not trying to try to duct a whole home off of these. But generally, it's going to provide enough static pressure on the fan curve. And we've got the new R-32 floor standing unit. These are very popular overseas. Generally, you see these in large conference rooms. They'll put these in a corner to kind of blow air and provide air throughout a large conference room. We've had requests for these in specialty markets here in the US. It's going to be a container-only product. And like I said, it's going to be available in the 36K model only. More information to come on these. We're trying to get the full specs and all that. And as soon as we get all that, we'll make sure to get it out to you. And with everything else, AHRI, ratings, NEEP, literature, we should have all of that done and ready by the end of August. So AHRI should have all the ratings for all match posted by then. We'll have all the NEEP ratings for cold climates hopefully posted by the end of August. And we should have all of our new sales brochures, submittals, and manuals for these models up and available on the website as well.